Hey y'all, how you doing? It's me, Geraldine, the entrepreneur guide, web and SEO expert. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your Spotify Wrapped if it keeps on crashing on your Spotify app. First thing you do is you go to your settings. I have Android system 12, so if you have that, then this will be the exact process. Scroll down until you see About Phone. Scroll down again and look for build number and click that 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Enter your PIN and then scroll up and go back to system. Scroll down, click on developer options and look for the settings that say animation. So keep scrolling down. Window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. This used to be off and that's why it wasn't working, so go ahead and turn that up to something else. For me, I just did 1. You could do more if you want. Once you've done that, turn off your developer settings and then go back to your Spotify app and you should be able to now view your Spotify Wrapped once you hit play. So as soon as you do that, and if it works for you, hit that like button, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, all of the above if you can, because it helps me to reach a lot more people through YouTube. Thanks a lot. Bye.